rendering quality or deliver quality inside Davinci Resolve 18.6. I used here at quality automatic best, that was the first rendering method, and then I used restrict to and I set it to a certain value. And let's see the results. So the original source file had around 28 megabits per second bitrate. The automatic best, which was rendered by Davinci, although it's set to best, it was rendered at around only 20 megabits per second, so from 28 to 20. And the one which was restricted to 28, that one got rendered at 29 megabits per second. So the automatic quality, automatic best, that reduces the original file's bitrate. So don't use automatic best, but try to restrict it to the original file's bitrate. Here in Davinci on the deliver tab, and I'm using a custom preset MP4 container H.265 codec. Don't use this automatic best because it will not be the best, but restrict it to the source file's original bitrate, to this one. Of course, each video has a different bitrate, so use your own bitrate. In this case, it's 28,000 kilobytes per second, that is 28 megabits per second. And in Davinci, it's also asking for kilobytes, so it's 28 megabits.